Hello and welcome to Biology by Vivo, and this is your educator Vivo Prasad Ratha, and in this video I am going to discuss about the answer keys of the biology section in the OSTT second phase examination. You can check through the entire video and you can calculate what you have secured or what you have achieved in the examination. So do check it out in the till the end. Thank you.
So, the first question, seedless vascular cryptogams are dash. The answer is form because monocots, liverworts, gymnosperm, they all are under phanerogams. That's why, liverwort is a bryophyte, monocot and gymnosperm, they are in phanerogams. So, form, that is pteridophyte, is under seedless vascular cryptogams. Next question. Where can the maximum biodiversity seen? The answer is tropical rainforest. Next. The maiden hair tree. Listen, for the question number 62, where can the maximum biodiversity is seen? You have to remember that when we are in tropical zone, there the biodiversity level is actually high. And whenever we are actually going upward or downward from the equator, there the diversity will low. Next question. The maiden hair tree is dash. The answer is C, that is Ginkgo biloba. You have to remember the maiden hair form is called Adiantum. Next question. Phylogenetic basis of classification proposed by John Hutchinson was presented in book dash. The answer is the families of flowering plants. Next question. Which is not an element of phloem tissue? The answer is wood parenchyma. Next question. 66. Sapwood is synonymous with dash. The answer is outer layer of secondary xylem. Next question. Indicate the features of dicot stem. If we see the dicot stem, here you can find the vascular bundle is open, and if you see other options, there are no open vascular bundles have been mentioned. So for that, the option D is actually right. If we analyze other things, then the vascular bundle is conjoined, collateral and indark. Next. Which are the products of cyclic photophosphorylation during photosynthesis? Remember, in cyclic photophosphorylation, only ATP is produced. As it is seen here, oxygen is also present, but oxygen is actually not the right answer. Only ATP is produced, and remember, NADH is not produced in photosynthesis. Next, which organelle does not participate in photorespiration? The answer is Golgi bodies. Next, because we know from chloroplast the photorespiration goes up to peroxisome, then it is ended in mitochondria, and again it reverts back to the peroxisome, and then it comes back to the chloroplast. Next, here the question is actually a bit lengthy. The structure of chlorophyll molecule shows a porphyrin head and a phytol tail. Porphyrin is a cyclic tetrapyrrole ring to which phytol tail is attached. To which ring of porphyrin is the phytol tail is attached? Here you can you can take the reference of chlorophyll structure, but you cannot find exactly to which porphyrin ring the phytol tail is attached. The answer can be from between the 3 and 4. So here it is a confusion. Next, micropropagation is dash. The answer is option C. It is the technique of obtaining new plants by growing cells or tissues in culture medium. To determine homozygosity or heterozygosity, a plant must be crossed with a dash. The answer is option B, that is recessive parent, and it's a direct question from the test cross. Then, which is unrelated pair? Here there can be a confusion between option B and option D, but let me tell you, ethylene and methionine, they are also related pair. Because in ethylene biosynthesis, methionine plays an important role. That's why cytokinin and violaxanthin can be the answer. Option D. Which fungus was responsible for the Great Irish Famine? The answer is option D. That is late blight of potato. After fertilization, the seed coat of seed develops from integuments. So option B is right here. Then, which effect does treatment of gibberellin have on cabbage leaf? The answer is bolting. Next, the phenomenon of single gene contributing to multiple phenotypic trait is called pleiotropy. Next, exogenously born non-motile asexual reproductive unit in Ascomycetes are called dash. The answer is conidae. Remember, if the question will be endogenously and sexual spore, then the answer will be Ascomycetes. Which disease of wheat is caused by Ostrilaga? The answer is option C, that is smut. Then, the entry of pollen tube through the micropyle is dash. The answer is porogamy. All the questions, most of the questions are also described in my videos in the past. You can find the entry of pollen tube through the micropyle in my sexual reproduction in flowering plant playlist. There I have discussed about this porogamy. So you can refer them. Then we will discuss about the zoology section. In which type of linkage chromosomes do not undergo any breakage during gametogenesis and no independent assortment occurs between the pairs of genes? The answer is complete linkage. Because in complete linkage, we cannot find any independent assortment and any breakage during gametogenesis or any crossing over. Next, to which class does Protopterus belong? The answer is option D, that is Pisces. Next, in humans, the chromosomal composition of zygote destined to form a female is 44XX, that is C. Next, which stage of mitosis is regarded as the phase of reconstruction and reorganization of nucleus? The answer is option D, that is telophase. Next, where are the tRNAs transcribed in eukaryotes? The answer is nucleolus, that is option B. Next, which type of nutrition is seen in animals who feed on their own fecal matter? The answer is coprozoic. Next, which one is not a factor for formation of new species according to the modern synthetic theory of evolution? The answer is sexual selection. Next, the walls and the roof of a greenhouse outdoor laboratory is made up of dash. The answer is glass. Next, the phenomenon of industrial melanism was first observed in dash. The answer is option A, that is USA. Next, which one was responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? And the answer is methyl isocyanate. It is option C. You can find recently a web series was released that is called Human in Disney Plus Hotstar. That was actually based on Bhopal gas tragedy. Next question. In man, aerobic respiration is completed in dash. The answer is mitochondria, that is option B. Next, the pressure buildup at the glomerular capillary network is called dash. The answer is option B, that is hydrostatic pressure, GHP. The SA node is located in dash and the answer is right atrium, that is option A. Then, which of the following statement is true? The answer is D, that is all arteries except one carries oxygenated blood. That exception is pulmonary artery. Next, Which physiological process does occur inside the cytoplasm of a cell? And the answer is option D, that is glycolysis. Next, ammonia is converted to urea through which cycle? And the answer is ornithine cycle. Option C. Next, which hormone is called love hormone? And the answer is oxytocin. Option A. Next, which one is an inhibitory neurotransmitter? And the answer is gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA. You can also take other examples like serotonin, dopamine. They are also gamma aminobutyric acid. Sorry, they are also inhibitory neurotransmitters. Next, which one of the following enzyme is present in the acrosome of sperm hair? The answer is hyaluronidase. Next, an abnormal condition in a man where the testes fail to descend in scrotum and is retained in the condition is called cryptorchidism. The spelling is actually mistaken here, but the correct answer is option D, that is cryptorchidism. Okay, so here are the answers.
So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope you have got all the answers. If there are some wrong, you can also brief them in the comment section. So I am waiting for that, and if you are appreciating my work, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.